Hello students, welcome to the biology class. Today we are going to discuss about the mechanism of the enzyme. In our previous sessions we discussed what are enzymes. Enzymes are known as a biocatalyst because they are helpful in carrying out the various biochemical reactions of living organisms. They are protein in nature. They are very specific for the substrate. Substrate means on which the reaction takes place. So today we are going to discuss about the mechanism of enzyme by the process that is lock and key. Why it is being known as lock and key hypothesis, which is given by Fischer, that is very known biochemist, given by Fischer. So as we know, the enzyme that is protein in nature, they are having a three-dimensional configuration structure, and in that three-dimensional configuration structure they are having a very specific sites that is known as the reactive sites, or you can say the active sites on which the specific substrate will bind, because they are very specific in the action, like that of lock and key. As we know, the lock can be opened only by the specific key, and the key they are having, you can see the key, they used to have such type of the sites over there. Similarly, that sites are present in the substrate, similarly with the enzyme, and they will bind with each other. So the one enzyme which are having active sites, with that active sites they will bind with the substrate and form the complex known as enzyme substrate complex. And this enzyme substrate complex is a temporary process. Activation energy lowered, reaction proceeds, and with that, with the help of the enzyme, they will form the product which is the end of your reaction, and enzyme will remains the same, fine, and it is ready to carry out the another reaction with the another substrate specific with the active site. So here the enzyme will act as a lock in which the specific key will fit, and that is called as enzyme substrate complex. And when the key is going to rotate or it is going to be in, then either it will be lock or it will be opened out, means the end products are going to be formed. That's why this simple working of enzyme is known as lock and key hypothesis given by the Fischer. So this is very important. Go through it. Till then, thank you.